As he's been speaking to the officials over the phone, inquiring about the treatment of those who have been injured. And senior officials that have also been instructed to visit the scene to take immediate relief measures to ensure that the injured can also receive proper care. So the chief minister there also issuing directions as he himself is expected to visit the incident site.
एकादशी दर्शन के लिए इधर हम टोकन इशू करने के लिए 91 काउंटर्स ओपन किया। ये बहुत बुरा बात है। वो भैरकपट्टी का वो काउंटिंग सेंटर पर स्टैम्पेड हुआ। उधर स्टैम्पेड में डिवोटीज का डेथ हो गया और टोटली 40 पिलग्रिम्स वर एडमिटेड। were giving our best medical services to that affected devotees, but it is a very unfortunate incident, never happened in TTD history.
Opened 8 counters, 8 counters in Tirupati and 1 in Tirumala. But whatever 8 counters, every counter is peaceful except one MJM school where there was Padmavati Park and there was stampede there because all of a sudden they've opened the park at 9 p.m. and all of them, because there were around 4,000 to 5,000 people inside, they have come at once. So due to which there was a stampede. Otherwise all counters were peaceful. They have left into the queue little early. So everything was peaceful except a few injuries and few deaths whatever happened in Ruya and Swims. But it is really unfortunate because all throughout other states also, Karnataka or Tamil Nadu, they have come. Really unfortunate. There were children, there were women, there were old people. They have been waiting since morning.
इंसिडेंट का कारण ओवरक्राउड, अनएक्सपेक्टेड क्राउड, ये अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट। थोड़ा बहुत तो आइडिया है, ये बोल के नहीं, थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया है। ऐसा होता बोल के हम नहीं सोचे। तो थोड़ा इंटेलिजेंस का भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल लेना है। तो कल सीएम साहब सब बताएंगे।
Well, Varshni, if you can tell us what would be the possible reason that the gates were opened, knowing the very fact that there is overcrowding and the crowd will become difficult and unruly to manage. Why were the gates opened in the first place?
Well, what we are given to understand from here by talking to some people is that the crowd had started jumping out of the park. They had started behaving unruly and they were being uncontrollable, and the situation inside the park was also looking very bad, and with the fear that if they are going to continue to stay inside, there's going to be uncontrollable and unruly behavior inside the park, and thinking that opening the gates would be giving them some space, more space to breathe and move is what the officials had thought while opening the gate, is what we are given to understand. The locals say that even they were passing through this side, they themselves were scared to see the kind of crowd that was standing inside and the crowd that were pushing each other to try in an attempt to jump out, because they wanted to be the first people to enter the queue, and so that they do not miss the tokens, or they don't by the time they reach the token center, because the token center is right behind this park where there is a school, and they have to wait in this queue and walk through this queue to reach the school. So they were just afraid that they would, by the time they reach the school, they would run out of tokens, and they had to try and be the first people to enter the queue. So everybody wanted to be the first in the queue, and that's why they were pushing. And once people started jumping out, people started shaking the gates and trying the officials to force them to open the gates. It was all becoming a very unruly and uncontrollable, and that is when the officials decided to open the gates, thinking and hoping that it would clear the space. But what had happened is very, very unfortunate, and exactly the opposite of what...
the rush to collect the tokens there is suspected to be the possible reason that may have led to the stampede there, and a deadly one that till now has claimed the lives of around 6 to 7 people, as it is now being reported, as the Chief Minister, who himself is now expected to visit on Thursday morning to meet those who have been injured. and the CM's office has also issued a statement saying that they are ensuring that there is best treatment that could be given to the victims there. Let's in the meantime take a look at the messages of condolences that have now been pouring in right from the Prime Minister's office to the Union Home Minister Amit Shah as well, where the PM office has issued a statement saying that pained by the stampede in Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh, my thoughts with those who have lost their near and dear ones. I pray that the injured recover soon. The AP government, which is the Andhra Pradesh government, is providing for all possible assistance to those who have been affected. This is coming in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We are also looking at other condolences message that has come in from the Union Home Minister Amit Shah, where he goes on to say, and I quote, that pained by the unfortunate incident of the stampede in Tirupati temple, my sincerest condolences to the families of the deceased. May the injured recover at the earliest. We are looking at condolence messages that have been coming in from